Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Veeam Backup for VM restore operations, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Veeam Backup for Microsoft Hyper-V or Veeam Backup and Replication login page, depending on your version. Enter the hostname or IP address of your Veeam Backup server in the designated field. Input your username in the appropriate box. Type your password into the password field. Select the domain if prompted, or ensure you're connected to the correct Active Directory. Click the Login button to proceed. Once logged in, you will arrive at the Veeam Backup dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Home tab to begin your restore operations. Select the Restore option from the navigation pane. Choose the type of restore you need, such as a full VM restore, guest file restore, or application item restore. Proceed with the selected restore option by clicking on it. You may be prompted to select the restore point from which you wish to restore the VM. Review the list of available restore points and select the most appropriate one. After selecting, click on the Next button to continue. Follow the on-screen prompts, which may include options for restore location and settings. Configure any additional restore settings according to your preferences. Once satisfied with your selections, click the Finish button to initiate the restore process. Monitor the progress in the Jobs window, where you can view the status of your restore operation. After the operation completes, verify the success message to ensure your VM has been restored correctly. Close the interface once you have confirmed everything is functioning properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.